Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Xenium HR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Xenium HR's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in xeniumhr.com and make a search. The official page of Xenium HR's account will appear on the screen. Scroll down and choose between Employee or Manager Login and tap on it. On the next page, enter your username and password associated with your Xenium HR's account and tap on Sign In. This is how you can log into your Xenium HR's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.